Look at this! Our site is fully ready for Black Friday. Carousels, marquees, countdowns, pop-up, everything. Now, let's see how we can make all this happen in just a few minutes. First, let's install the Depicter plugin from the WordPress repository. Done? Perfect. It takes us right into the Depicter dashboard. Here we go to Templates and select Black Friday templates. Boom! We've got tons of ready-made designs, pop-ups, notification bars, carousels, and more, all built for Black Friday. Let's start with this carousel, previewing it. Nice! Exactly what we need. Click Import. Now we're inside Depicter's editor. This carousel already includes multiple items plus a countdown set for November 28, 2025. I'll just tweak the time. Let's make it run until 11:59 p.m., all the way to the end of Black Friday. There's also a lead capture form ready to go. Perfect. Hit Publish. Click the WordPress icon at the top left to go back to the Depicter dashboard. Next, let's check out this Marquee template. Looks amazing. Importing it now. Same setup, countdown set for November 28th, 2025. Change it to 11:59 p.m. Here's a discount text. Double-click and change 30% to 50%. There's another countdown, change that too. Great, done. Hit Publish and head back. Now go to Black Friday templates and let's try this pop-up. Nice and clean. Import. All I'll do here is double-click the discount numbers and set them to 50%. Hit Publish now, then click Open Display Rule to set up the trigger. Go to the Trigger tab, enable Spent Time on Page, and set it to appear after 12 seconds. Publish again. Perfect. Now, from the home page, click Edit with Elementor. We want to add that carousel and marquee. Under the Hero section, drag the Depicter widget and choose the Marquee. Then drag another Depicter widget below it and pick the carousel. Beautiful! Stacked perfectly together. Scroll down and sprinkle more marquees in different sections. Now the entire site feels like Black Friday. Hit Publish and let's check the result. This marquee and carousel combo totally transformed our site. And here it is. The pop-up appears after 12 seconds, just as planned. Scroll down, the marquees across the page keep the vibe alive. See how easy that was? Our site is fully powered up and ready for Black Friday. Let's go make those sales explode. Built in minutes, ready for magic. Only with Depicter.